Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical. In today's video, we'll see how to create a new line for purchase invoices. To do that, first you need to extract the invoice ID. So this is the query. Select star from AP invoices all. Click on tools. Click on report and analytics. Click on browse catalog. Click on create. Click on data model. Now write the query line creation. Make sure that the data source is FSCM. Now this is the query. And we'll take the invoice number. Click on manage invoices. Date underscore update. This is the invoice number. This is the invoice number. Click on OK. Take single quotes. Click on OK. Select this and click on data. Click on view. Click on table view. Now here you can see the invoice ID is this. Copy this invoice ID. Go to payload and paste it over here. 3249. 3249. 624934. 62493249. Now copy this REST API and the line number update it to 3. Now click on send. Click on send. The line number 201 created. That means the line number 3 got created. Now let us jump into the system and check whether the line has been created. Refresh the page. Click on invoices. Click on task list. Click on manage invoices. Date update. Now click on search. Open the invoice. You can see the invoice line has been created successfully. Now click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.